So today we are picking coffee. Oh, it's almost up. I swear coffee is just made to spill on you. Anyways, today today we are picking the race car. Wait until you guys see the new graphics. Gonna try my best to get them on tonight. We got about a total of 7 hours of driving today. We'll be working out of it this summer. I gotta get her done. Anyways, you guys have a good day. I got some guys in here I'm going to thank and talk about. We got a new sponsor for 2021. So we'll tell you more about that here later. Stay tuned. Yeah, come on, buddy. Get in. We got to go get the race car. Let me see that shirt. Let me see that shirt. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Woo! Oh, yeah. This will happen when you hit the wall of Volusia. Zoom in on that, show 'em. What have you been up to, man?
It's better for y'all. You don't know for nothing. That's the head. See, this is what the head is designed. Okay. So basically, all you had is that plus these headers. That there is just, well, y'all can think about the traffic. I get enough traffic in here that that don't happen.
Strap her down.
You gotta strap her down. Get this baby home. That it?
We're gonna try that.
All right, guys, we just got back to the shop. Getting ready to unload old girl. Da 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 da. Old Damon getting the shop floor cleaned up so we can get the wrap on this bad boy.
Yeah.
Oh, Tim's here. Well, by God, Tim. I seen your video you sent to Damon.
Motherfucker.
Damon, nice shirt, dude. Nice shirt. All right, guys, we're getting ready to get this wrap laid out here. Here's the new help, Randy. Hell yeah. Randy's on the crew now. We're trying to build a race team here, guys. We got the camera equipment. Whoa, we don't need to see under there, do we, Damon?
Whoa.
We don't need to see under the car, do we?
No.
No. You guys don't want to know what's going on under there. Here it is, guys. Here it is. Look at that. It is ready to go. Before we put the wrap on it, this is what she looks like. Not that cool, but it's all right. We're going to get her done. We're going to get it done. Also, I want to take this time to thank my first big sponsor, which is Jake Evans Trucking. Appreciate the help, and I want to thank Slicker Graphics. Dude gave me a heck of a deal on the wrap for this race car.
I was saying the whole rattling that's left of it, because it's picking off quite a bit and it's not picking off at all.
That's what I
Lay it down then.
you go back.
All right, we've got this far. Got my buddy that does wraps for a living coming over to help because this is not easy. And we are fucking it up royally. Yes, in here, we're trying to work these bubbles out. Yeah, there you go, girl. Get it.
Trying.
Oh, Damon. Come on, Damon. You're trying to work some bubbles out there, buddy. All right, guys, before work, we got a horse chase here on the old road. That is a full-grown horse running down the freaking road there, guys. Come on. Look at that. Look at that. He's getting ready to run into that truck. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Cool method.
We had to bring the
On the other
reinforcements
side, you
in.
can't- To keep it straight, you don't want to have any wrinkles on it. It wants to be good and perfectly straight.
Going too fast with the paper?
You're doing fine.
Oh, Travis Brown getting her done.
Yes, sir.
Not a wrinkle one this time. How's it going up there, Damon?
It's going. Nice and easy.
Got her wrapped up here. Looks pretty good. Thanks to my good old buddy Travis Brown.
Looks good for my
The
house.
front's bad. The front is really bad. But we'll work that out. Any words here, Des?
Hi.
All right, guys. So, car's done. Just got her finished up. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Thanks to all the boys here who helped. The crew, and we're missing Travis Brown, but he had to go do some stuff. So, here's this side of the car. You guys stay tuned. Hopefully up next, we're gonna get the motor back fired up. We're gonna take it to Willie's Carburetor. And we're gonna go win some races here soon.